Okay, showing you timing marks on a 2.4 world engine, commonly used in Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep stuff. So you can see both of those marks there line up with the plated links. But here's a mistake that I made that maybe you can avoid. Come down here to the crankshaft. The plated link is lined up with a dot on the crank gear, but this is wrong, because you see the keyway? That should be lined up at the 9 o'clock position, so we're off quite a few teeth. And if you can see at the left here, this thing about right here should be even with the parting line of the block or the 9 o'clock position. To verify that, you can hang the timing cover on there, not necessarily install it, but hang it on there, and then you'll have a TDC mark on there and one on the pulley itself to verify that you are on TDC.